The challenge is I'm deaf. People that look at my facial expression think I'm being rude, and that can lead to misunderstandings. My name is Kathryn, and I work at the Sephora distribution center. Before working at Sephora, I was a stay-at-home mom, and sometimes going through job interviews, trying to have that access, I couldn't because they would say I was deaf, and they wouldn't allow me to go in. My sister took me to Sephora one day a few years ago, and I fell in love. And then I found out they were opening a distribution center, and I really wanted to work there. I talked to my counselor and asked if I could get help getting a job there. And that's how I got a job at Sephora. I feel like I belong at Sephora because they look at things differently. I feel like they take people with disabilities seriously, and they think that they're beautiful and exceptional. And I'm very grateful for that. I want the world to know that deaf people really can. They can do anything except hear. The deaf culture is beautiful. Sign language is beautiful. It's unique. It's different. Our language is very, very cherished.